Hi, this is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. Now, in this interesting lecture, I am going to tell you how we can format the time.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
Okay, so suppose if I want to display time in the desired format, how we can go about this. So I will be using the directive first. I will show you how to use the directive %h. Actually, it prints the hour in military format. What is military format? All of you know that military format means after 12 in the noon, the next hour, that is 1, is represented as 13. The next 2 p.m. will be represented as 14, and so on. So this is called military format. If you want to print the time in military format, you will use %h, and if you want to have simple, then you will write %i. Okay, so remember h and I both are in capital. So I would be importing this module import datetime as usual, and after that I am getting the current date by lieu of this datetime.datetime.now. Okay, so dt is our object. Now after that, let me first use only the first statement, print statement. Print dt is our datetime object dot strf time function. You are familiar with this function, and I am using this directive %h. Now we will see now has obtained the current time, and we will see how the hour is getting printed. It should be printed in the military format. Okay, press the right mouse button, go to run. Yeah, as you can see, 15. So right now the time is 3 p.m. 3 in the afternoon, so it is being represented with 15. Okay, so far so good. Now let me put it in the comment. So after that, I am going to use %i directive. It should print in simple format. So press the right mouse button, go to run. See, 03, that means it is printing in the simple format. So next but when it is printing 03, it is not clear that this 03 is for past midnight or this is for afternoon. So it would be in the fitness of things if we prefer to use AM and PM. So I have used now the next see my last statement dt.strf time, this strf time function, %i, which is for simple format, then %m and for minutes, and %ls for seconds. But after space, see carefully, I am using %p. Now %p directive is used to tell the strf time function that we want to have AM and PM according to the current time or whatever time you have supplied. So let's execute this. Press the right mouse button, go to run. Yeah, as you can see, 3:48, 3 is the hour, 48 is the minute, 25 is the second, and PM is telling that this is 3:48 in the afternoon. Had it been after the midnight, it would have been AM. So this is how this these directives %i, %lm, %ls and %lp they work.